Hello, welcome back to Sailing Kulali. Today, we're going to be working on cutting out these windows for Kulali. These are 10mm acrylic sheets. The brand is Light. It must be from about 30 years ago, but it's still perfectly covered, perfectly strong. So we're going to try and cut out the shape of the window because obviously it's not going to be square. We're going to cut the shape out using this CNC machine, and that should give us a pretty nice finish for the windows. Once we've cut the shape out, we can start installing it onto the boat. Let's go! So a cool story about this CNC is that I was given this CNC by a friend for free, and I'm building a boat that was given to me for free, and my mum gave me my life for free. So there you go, mate. Everything's for free. So basically every time I'm doing a cut, I'm doing it at 3mm intervals. So 3mm in for the first cut, 6mm for the next one, and then 9mm for the next one. And the reason for that is if you went in too deep, there's too much force that's being applied to the actual workpiece and then it might move. Or it gets too hot, the bit gets too hot and then starts melting and all sorts of stuff. So step cutting, pretty good shit. Holy bloody dooly! We're down to the last one. Yes! And I'm going to show you in depth how to cut acrylic 10mm windows using a really old CNC. I'm going to time this one as well, see how long it actually took, because I've been here the whole day. Okay, here we go. So step one, clean your work surface. I'm using a spatula. Step two is using a hot glue gun. Put a nice amount of hot glue onto the work surface and very quickly glue the acrylic to the hot glue, the work surface. Step four, let this dry until it's hard, so then it's holding it. Step six, I think, or step five. Step six. Step six, go into your CNC controller and change the depth so that it's cutting into your acrylic by 3mm. Step seven, turn your dust extractor on and then press go on your CNC. Step 8, cut 3mm deeper and then keep going until you're all the way through. Step 9 or 10? Step 10, remove the plate that you've just cut from the CNC. I use the same spatula from the start with a mallet, and I carefully go underneath it and apply even force. And that's it. That's your cut piece of acrylic for your windows. All right, so that's all done. You can see that at the end there, at the end, they got much better. I think it was just because, I don't really know why, but yeah, they got better at the end. These ones just need a bit of cleaning up, just a bit of sanding. But other than that, they're pretty much bloody beautiful. Look at that. Woo! What do you reckon, Fuzz? All right, thanks so much for watching this one. See you on the next one. Dogs? So it took 17 minutes for one.